No, I feel so happy right now. Like, why, right? But I know why. Because I just did an energetic cord cutting, ceremony for myself, cutting off the cords from my evil children's fathers. So this is really just a video to myself. This is like a diary for myself. So when I'm in the future, I can look back on this and remind myself, where I came from, like what I've been through, okay, and how I was able to survive it, make my way out of it, and stay strong and still build something amazing and build myself up and be amazing and heal myself, okay? So this is really a diary for myself, okay? I want to tell my story. I want to tell my experience, but I pray that this can help the next woman in bondage. I pray that telling my story can help the next woman who is not being treated well by a man, especially by a man who she gave children to, okay? Let me take a sippy sip. That is so good. Like what? I know this may look abundant. It is. I want to provide a disclaimer that throughout this video, I hope I don't come off at all as cocky, okay, as arrogant or egotistical. I know this may look like it. I am, pretty. So I know that can give off, like a cocky vibe. Absolutely not. Okay. Your girl has been through some shit. Men have absolutely shitted on me and put me through absolute hell, guys. So I'm proud of myself. I made it out of hell. I made it out of bondage. Now I'm sipping. Now I'm sipping. I had to be strong enough to get there. Now I'm sipping. I deserve this. And you do too. A hello to, all the haters that are watching, including both of my children's fathers. I know you're going to watch this, and I know you're going to probably, do something out of spite or, tell the rest of your family and friends, like blah, 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 right? That's what's been going on. But that's also why I want to provide this video so I can get my truth out there. I can at least tell my side of the story. Like, I may not even post this, but if I do, my goal is not to like expose the truth, well, kind of, but it's mainly so that I can get it out of my system. Okay, I need to like release my story. That way I can truly, truly move forward into my divine purpose, into my true destiny, and create a very abundant life for me and my children. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all my story. Okay, I already know this is like the most ghetto topic. Okay, this is the most ghetto thing in my life, right? I have two different baby daddies, two children by two different men. That's ghetto. Okay, I'm the first one to take accountability for something like that, for something super low budget like that. Ladies, we gotta do better. Okay, especially giving babies to men who aren't even worth it. Miss me with that behavior. Okay, we have to level up our behavior, and I am, and I'm here to like help us do that. Okay. Definitely taking accountability, okay, acting out of being naive and just being too nice and being too loving and being stupid, really. It has really gotten me into some shit, but everything happens for a reason. The amount of lessons, the amount of wisdom that I've collected going through my journey, it will pay me for the rest of my life, okay? I can now help the world, help all of these other women heal and elevate. With that being said, I won't take accountability for the men, the older men who will pry on younger women, okay, to get what they want and to be just freaking evil, right? They're operating out of their trauma. Okay? They're operating under the patriarch and the devil, okay? And they're hurting and ruining women, okay? It's just pretty much the worst offense you can do is to mess with a woman, okay? Especially a woman who had good intentions for you and nothing but love for you, who just wanted a family with you, who just wanted to make you happy. You treat her bad, okay. That karma gonna hit you, okay? Because God does not play about women and children, okay? Just saying. Anyways, I'm gonna tell my story, and if you stay through to listen to it, cool, girl. I hope that it can help you. Okay.